I will never look at AI the same way after learning this. Hackers are out there, breaking into the biggest AI models. So how can we fight back? Let's talk about the world of hacking. Imagine a hacker targeting AI models like ChatGPT or Microsoft's Bing. Sounds scary, right? They're not just messing around, they're trying to break into the minds of these AI giants. But guess what? You can be the one to defend them. It's called ethical hacking. Think of it as being a superhero in the digital world. You get to learn all the tricks hackers use, but instead of causing harm, you protect. Learning ethical hacking means you'll understand AI vulnerabilities and how to patch them up. It's like building a fortress around your favorite tech. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone with a passion for tech. No need to be a super genius. By joining Webasha Technologies, you'll dive into the exciting field of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. You'll get hands-on experience, real-world scenarios, and the skills to make a difference. Ready to step up and be a digital defender? The world needs more heroes. Will you be one of them? Join Webasha Technologies today and become the protector of tomorrow's tech.